Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Angeles here. I'm super excited. This video, I created it because somebody wrote to me and they said, hey Angeles, can you do a creation with the Fabuloso now that I'm promoting safety with the Lysol from the last video? Sure, I'm up for the challenge, and it was a challenge, guys, because it was a lot of colors. What I did was I added the ones that were there the most, and I found this palette that was beautiful, and if you guys keep watching, you guys will love this look, and it's a pretty easy look to do. And I'm gonna show you I want to thank in this video the person that did it. Her name is Gabby. Thank you, Gabby, for that suggestion, and I'm so happy. Thank you for subscribing, and everybody else that's watching, thank you for your support. This is what I have. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's super heavy. So the colors that I did for this look, as you guys can see, I love this look, guys. It came out really good, and I'm super excited to just teach you guys the look. It's pretty easy. It's pretty subtle. It's not too much. Like, a lot of people don't like too much of a look, but this is like really nice to go out with. I really liked it, and I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, let's start with our foundation first. I'll be using the concealer from Tarte, and it looks like this. Put some on my hand and on my face. Okay, next step is our Tarte Shape Tape, and this is my concealer. I'll be using this sponge and go really under my eyes. I love this sponge just because it has that pointy side to it, and it gets to the hard areas that you can't do it with a bigger sponge. And just blend it in with my foundation so it looks even. That's our goal there, to just blend everything in and have an even tone. This sponge, if you guys see, it's easy to get to the middle part as well, and just straighten your brows out. As you guys can see, I'll be using the palette Brave Spirit, and this is from Revolution. And look at these colors, really nice colors. I'm using these just because there's the colors that are mainly used in the Fabuloso. Starting with our orange, which is this one right here. I'll put it closer so you guys can see the orange. Really nice orange. I've tried it before, just the orange, and it's really nice. Okay, so the brush that I'll be using for this look is BH Cosmetics number 5, and it's a flat brush to start with. I'm gonna grab a little bit just because I'm gonna be adding a lot of colors, so I don't just want to concentrate on the orange. I want to concentrate on all the colors I'll be using. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna start on the top and just work my way out, as you guys can see, just on the top. Maybe with another brush for you guys, whatever it works for you, and it's easier for you guys. For me, I think the flat brush, just because I'm working on my lid and then I work myself out of my eye, it's easier for me. As you guys can see, I'm gonna do my other eye. Of course, you always hear that click sound because I'm always taking the excess out. And then working my way out. As you guys can see, I don't want to go too dark just because, like I said, I have other colors to work with and I want to blend them in at the end to incorporate those colors and have that beauty with the colors that I want to create with. So like I said, first you gotta go gently and not add too much at first. And I'll show you the green so you guys can see it right there. And I'm gonna follow that same shape that I did for the orange, and I'm gonna go out. I'm looking down just because I have the mirror, but for you guys can see what I'm doing. It looks crazy now, but I promise that at the end it'll look really nice. Next is my other eye. As you guys can see, I'm starting at the corner of my eye and then working my way out just to follow that orange. I go slow with brush, but this one, like I said, it's like going up more, if you guys can see. And this is number 6 of BH Cosmetics. You guys can see that. I'll be using that purple because purple is the main color of this product. Once you did the shapes that you wanted, you can go deeper. It's up to you guys. For me, it's a more lighter touch, but it's all depending on you and your I really like this palette. I love the colors. I love now after the colors, there is white as well, so I'll be adding that in my inner corners just to get that pop, like I always tell you guys. I'm gonna be using the Coca-Cola brush, but it looks like this. It's a smaller brush, the tip of it, and I'm gonna be using, for that white, I'll be using the Revolution, the Emily Edit, and it looks like this. As you guys can see, I use my palettes. I'm still gonna use that same brush to put that white, and the white that I'm using is the cream. Once you're done with the look and you are finished and you like how pigmented it is and how... Okay guys, so next is our liner. It's like this. You guys can see. This is my favorite one. I'm gonna start from my inner. We're gonna go with the lashes. My favorite lashes, all this week I'll be using the same lashes just because I wanna give you guys the discount code for them. These are the Kylie lashes from Dollar Lash Club. I do have my discount code, so you guys can use, and you guys can get your own Kylie lashes. Put some glue on those Kylie lashes. As you guys can see, these are the best lashes ever, guys. I'm also gonna be putting mascara. I'm gonna put the They're Real from Benefit. It looks like this, guys. Like this. And make these lashes real. So those beautiful lashes of mine. Okay, once you're done with your lashes, we're gonna be doing our bronzer. I'm gonna be using the OFRA bronzer. I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush. Looks like this. Grab my mirror and start. And then continue. On top. My chin, even it out. Have in my temples. I'm gonna put some on my nose as well, just so my nose is not white and everything else is toned and even. So it's a light natural brown, not too dark of a brown. As soon as I'm done with my bronzer, I'll be using my Milani Coral Cub Powder Blush. And it looks like this. It has like a flower. Really nice color to be using. I'm using this one just because I did notice there's pink in the product, Fabuloso. And I'm gonna smile. And I'm just gonna dab. I'm not gonna rub it because that pink is a really pigmented pink, and it's bright too. Blend that in with my bronzer because I don't want a really pink. I want it blended, just like I'm doing it now, like that, as you guys can see. Once you're done with that, I'm gonna set everything with my Morphe brightening pink bacon set, and it looks like this. You guys can see this is the brightening pink, just to set everything up. I don't want nothing moving. And just, you know, bacon set. And once you're done, I'll grab that big brush again. Just finish spreading that over because I do want everything to set and not move anywhere. For my lips, I'm gonna be using my liner. This one is the Pop. It looks like this, guys. Really nice, and it's like a nude color. Just so my lips look fuller when I add my matte lipstick. And then add my NARS Nude Matte. So as you guys can see, this is the finishing look for the Fabuloso creation. I'm super excited. I love the lashes. I love the look that I created for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. So every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it, and you guys can see a little bit more of my creations. And then again, thank you for being part of the Bella family. I'm super excited, and see you guys next time. I wanted to say thank you guys for always supporting me and subscribing to my videos. I just wanted to end up this video, this tutorial, with telling you guys that sometimes nobody's gonna believe you and sometimes nobody's gonna be there for you, but I am here for you, and I'm telling you right now that you guys can do it. You guys are capable of doing what you want to do as long as you have that desire to do it.